Hello everyone, I am Neelam Choudhary, your host for the series Django Project-Based Learning. As the name indicates, over here we'll study Django with the help of the projects. We will be doing about 7 to 8 projects in this particular series. While this series mainly focuses on the project, I believe that a strong foundation is essential. That is why in the starting 15 lecture, I will provide you the necessary fundamentals. And I will not stop over there. After this series, we will study Django REST framework. So you can combine your Django project with any other application. So I will be showing you the projects on Django in React so that you will understand how you can combine the Django project with any other applications as well. So if you are liking this particular idea, kindly like and subscribe my channel. So now let us talk what we will be doing in this particular video. So this particular video is everything what I'm going to do in this particular series. So in this series, the first video will be about the prerequisites. So since Django is a framework, it is based on any language. So you should have the knowledge of that language before starting with Django. Also, since we are going to create a website, there are some basic languages that you should know so that we can create the website as well. After that, we'll study what is Django, what do you mean by framework, why do we go for Django or why it is so popular, what are the different frameworks in different languages, and the MVT architecture. After that, we'll see how we can download and set up the VS Code editor. Those who have any code editor with them, they can skip this particular video. After that, we will talk about the virtual environment. In my teaching career, I have seen the learners have so many doubts related to the virtual environment. Like, can I have one virtual environment and multiple projects in that virtual environment? Can the virtual environment be a different location and project be in different locations? So all the doubts related to virtual environment will get solved in that particular video. After that, we'll see how we can install Django and start working with Django and create our first project. Then we'll see how we can create the applications within the project. We can create multiple applications within one Django project. After that, we'll see how we can connect the views with the URLs, how to handle those URLs properly, and we will also study hyperlinks. After that, we will study what do you mean by templates, how we can render the HTML templates, how we can render the dynamic content into the HTML templates, the template inheritance and extending templates. Then we'll see what is a static files like JSS, JavaScript, images, how to upload the file into your Django project. We'll see everything. So based on this 11 lectures, you will be able to create a static website. So after this, I will take one mini project like building a portfolio, which will be based on whatever we have studied so far. But if you want to create a dynamic website, you should know how to handle the data efficiently. So that is why we will study Django models. Everything that ORM, query set, how to create a super user, admin panel, why to register the models, everything we'll study in this particular video. After that, if you go to any website, like take it Netflix or Facebook, the first thing that you see is nothing but a form. So forms plays a very important role whenever you create any website. That is why we will study forms in little bit in detail. We will study API form and the model form which is provided by Django. You can create the form with the help of the HTML as well that you must have studied. But since forms are provided by Django, we are going to study the API and model form in depth. Then we'll study what is the difference between a get and a post method. Then how to handle the errors, how to submit the forms without errors, and validations and everything we'll study. And next thing that you see whenever you go to any website is nothing but the login form and the sign up form. So that is why we will be covering the authentication and authorization topic as well. And then what we'll see, restricting the access to a certain views based on the user role. It means if I log in into the Amazon account, if I see the orders that I have given, I can see only those orders. I cannot see your order. Like if you log in into your Amazon account and you go to the orders page, you will see your order. You will not see anyone else's order. So that also will see how we can restrict what user can see what kind of data on the particular website. So if these basics are clear, we can create about 8 to 10 projects on Django. This projects is what I'm going to do during this particular series. If there is any other projects that you want me to cover during this series, you can write down in the comment box. I will be taking that project as well. Now, if you are liking this idea, kindly like and subscribe my channel. Hope you will enjoy my web series. Thank you.